Write an essay writing about the Taj Mahal with help of the following point. Essay writing the Taj Mahal. Follow the point to write about the Taj Mahal. Famous monument at Agra in India. One of 7 wonderful built by Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved. White marble, 20,000 workers. The monument finished in 1654. 1,000 visitors came, surprised its beauty, said to be the crown jewel of India, preserved its beauty. The Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a tomb or monument at Agra in India. It is one of 7 wonderful in the world. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved Queen Taj Mahal. This was built entirely out of white marble on bank of the river Jamuna. The white marble was brought from all over the Asia. About 20,000 workers worked hard to finish it in 1654. It took 20 years to finish the construction. The excellent tomb was designed by the Persian architect Ustad Isa. The Taj Mahal is great example of massive grandeur and classical beauty. Many visitors from different countries to visit the marvelous Taj Mahal. They take different pictures of the Taj Mahal with camera. The thousands of tourists are also surprised to see its beauty. The Taj Mahal is said to be the crown jewel of India. We should try to preserve its beauty with help of government. It is a wonder that continues to inspire its beauty, history among all of us.